how to change text color in Discord. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily type in color in Discord, including rainbows or patterns of colors. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to change our text color on Discord, we're going to be using a free tool that I created called texttrick.com. Check the description, there'll be a link down there, but once you get to texttrick.com, just go up into the top menu, select Discord color text, and then all you need to do is go down to this text box and type what you want to be in color on Discord. Once you've typed your text, simply highlight the text you want to color and then select your desired colors above. We have the text color, so this is the actual text, and then we can also change the background by using these buttons right here. Now, if you want to do rainbow text, all you need to do is select the rainbow button after selecting the text, and you'll have rainbow text. Additionally, you can build custom color patterns and sequences by selecting the colors that you want in the order that you want, highlighting the text, and then selecting apply, and there you go. Once you're ready, select copy for Discord, then go back to Discord, and this works either in the desktop browser or the desktop app for Discord. Paste it into a text channel, hit enter, and then you'll have that color text on Discord. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.